Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody with BasecampTrading.com. I just wanted to make a quick video to go over SPX on the weekly chart. So as you can see here, we are making higher highs on price, overall moving higher here. So the trend is still up with price. However, the momentum is weaker down here. So we have a lower histogram line, or lower histogram, and also the momentum line is also less than the previous pivot. So that is a textbook bearish divergence. That being said, we're still in a bullish uptrend. So in order for us to really sell off, we need to take out this week's low next week, which would be below 7,717.25, at least as of right now. So if we make a lower low next week, we can look to see if we start to turn on momentum. So that's what I'm watching here. Otherwise, we're still in a bullish pattern. We actually have a bullish ascending channel here. So we can watch to see if we stay in the channel and keep moving higher. We also could move up next week. So we'll have to see. But I want to make that quick video. If you guys find this information useful and you want to check out our trading rooms, we do offer a $7 1-month access trial. And you can get that by emailing support@basecamptrading.com. But thank you and have a nice day.